guys, Brittany here. Welcome back to Arrow. To be honest, it didn't click in my head that Crisis wasn't the last episode of Arrow, so I wasn't expecting that there was a episode. But then I'm like, oh wait, there's 10 episodes confirmed. We have even more pain and hurt to suffer through. So looking forward to that. This is the second last episode. I understand this is the pilot for the next series that they're hoping to push, but let's see what happens with this. I'm curious to see where everyone stands as far as after the events of Crisis took place. If you're watching this and you don't know where the hell my reaction to part 5 of the Crisis on Infinite Earths, look no further. I went back on my OG channel, Phantom Reactions, and I joined them where it all began and ended there. So check out that reaction and then come back here. Let's jump in. Here is my reaction to Arrow Season 8, Episode 9, Green Arrow and the Canaries. Uh-oh. Oh! 2040? Oh? Wait, what?
What are you doing?
He scared me.
Wait, whoa, whoa!
Guys.
Not JJ! What the f***?
What's happening?
No! Be a queen now! What the f*** is happening? Isn't that the guy that is JJ? But she grew up with William, so that's nice.
Dark days are done, now the bright days are here.
She sing?
My sunny one, shine so sincere. Oh, sunny one, so true.
Because Bianca Bertinelli gets kidnapped? No, because she dies. 3 days from now, her body is found in the bay.
Aw, look at how proud she is of herself. I like this version of her.
Your wedding?
Zoe, hi!
Zoe's
You don't mind crashing. Never.
There he is!
It's a matter of just fun. You want me at your fancy little party?
As long as you don't punch anyone or set anything on fire, we'll be okay.
But we really need you.
That's kind of a traumatic way to throw her in there, but alright, Laurel.
Do you push through my...
There's this guy, Johns. He's some Martian or something. He's why we remember everything that happened before the crisis.
I'm between two worlds right now.
Yeah, you kind of just threw them both
I
at her.
don't know if I can do this anymore.
Bertinellis are one of the biggest crime families around. Well, that sounds like enough reason to violate some privacy laws and drink, talk about their problems. To be a hero. Why? Because you didn't get a gold star? Because in this version of the future, the one where I'm not a hero, everyone is better off. She was a canary. She died because she was a hero, because you inspired her. And gosh, what shoes am I going to wear?
I don't know anything. And by the way, 3 of them went to Harvard.
You weren't it.
I'm not wearing that.
This is fun. Nice. Boy.
That is not who I am anymore, and that is clearly not who JJ is.
Are you really that naive?
Are you really that judgmental?
You don't even have the slightest bit of doubt that JJ is the one who is behind that mask.
I just really don't want it to be him.
It's a love life.
That's not.
You know I dated your dad, right?
Well, a version of him anyway.
It was my sister.
Please stop talking.
People are who they are, Mia. No matter what timeline, universe, or Earth. And that's not your fault. Except you're gonna be able to just... Oh, you were saying?
Cute.
Our honeymoon. You said that you always wanted to visit Fiji.
Let me explain. JJ.
I'm confused now. So JJ is no longer bad. What's happening?
I am not the one who cares more about my relationship problems than my friend who might die. Do you see how selfish you're being?
Me is the one that my father sacrificed himself to give me. Don't you dare trivialize that.
Okay, I think all Laurel is trying to to see is
Because that's all being a hero is.
Oh boy.
I think it's best we take some space.
I was a police captain, Laurel. I have tricks. Like knowing when someone's not telling me everything. On that green arrow suit was the day Oliver died.
Empathy.
There's evil back in Star City. The green arrow should be here too. Oh God, are you crying?
What the hell are you doing here? And so I chose to do nothing.
Damn.
Hey,
What a
how'd it
legacy.
go? Ready for this?
One way to find out.
Nice. She looks good in the suit.
How much more company
Mia looks great.
to go now?
Why leave now? Huh? The fun is just getting started.
Trevor.
You know my name. I have one of my own.
So this is what you've been spending Daddy's money on. So will we.
Nice slow-mo.
She won't let you.
And who the hell is she?
Who is she? She?
Missed the jump.
She?
Who are you bitches?
Hot.
Drunk hipsters in your bar. Well, thank you for that. But,
A hero is the hardest thing you can do. It's also the right thing. Canaries.
to the future,
Aww.
whatever it holds.
What's the pilot thing?
You're a good person, JJ. I couldn't imagine spending my life with anyone else.
What about Connor?
Who I really am, Laurel. I may have been erased, but I'm not gone. A whole new generation of women.
Aww.
Can't believe it's been 20 years since he sacrificed himself to save the city.
Of course they do.
Isn't it a little misogynistic that they're not calling you as well? I mean, come on, guys, it's 2040.
What the hell?
Aw, shit. That's how they get you. Oh, there's more.
Did they give you back?
What the fuck?
Who are you? What do you want?
I need you to...
Fuck.
It was never a man. It was never a man.
As far as pilots go, I thought this one was pretty good. I like the direction they went with it. I like the different change to Mia. She's not as, like, aggressive as she was before, so I think I like this version better. Curious to see what direction this show will go. I thoroughly enjoyed it. When they continue the series, I would most definitely be watching. With JJ and everything, and how Connor will fit into everything, and then hopefully we'll see more of Zoe now that she's alive and we fixed that. A lot of good opportunity here for a good, promising show. Thank you guys so much. Comment below. I'm gonna burp. Never mind. Comment below your guys' thoughts. What'd you like? What'd you dislike? But I'll see you next time.